Hey, hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad babs on my everybody going propaganda ganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle.
Twinsies!
Don't quasar me.
Larry, do you own a pair of shorts?
Yes, I do.
Have you worn them?
Yes, I have.
But
I wore
what-
shorts recently. I wear shorts.
Where?
I forgot. Sometimes
Like in the house when you like sleeping.
no.
Into the toilet.
Please
Netflix.
vote who has better legs between myself and yeah.
I say Spaga's got amazing legs.
This Paga has amazing legs.
Because yours are thick as fuck.
Yeah, what is that? Is that a tree stump?
My nigga.
Keep you rooted to the ground. Nigga. Oh man. Hey.
My nigga, yo
What?
can handle all of this.
What is it?
All of this.
What? Oh.
All of
Give it the
this.
roll. Give it. Hit him.
That's a lot to handle.
What?
Shut up.
Guys, welcome to this is MicroWave Boys episode 65. We're back with another episode. I'm glad that you guys have liked our last two episodes. They've been pretty good.
Last
You know,
three.
you guys just two,
Three.
three.
This is our 4th episode back in a row.
MicroWave Boys episode
65. Have you been doing this for 65 weeks?
I wanted to like
Yeah.
steal.
We have 66 episodes.
Have you been doing this for 66
67.
weeks? 67 weeks.
No.
We had the same debate last week. Jesus.
No, guys, only one episode has been taken off.
And he said that last week.
And we still count.
I mean, we can't do this all the time.
You know the first thing I stole it from you? You went like this. I was like,
and you diss me like, let's go.
yeah. And I was like, I see a gap in the market.
For things, yeah.
For things.
Hit him with it. Okay, so Pag, I've got a very important question to ask you. Right?
What is the important question? I'm listening.
2 million minus 10 rand. How much is left?
2 million 10. No.
You see this your face? I will boil it with hot water. Minus 2 million minus 10 rand. Hosala 1 million. 1 million 1 rand.
She took all the other
Now calculate lapho tlanhla.
Okay, bring the calculator, please. She said 1 million,
2
10 rand.
million minus 10 rand equals to
Does she know how many zeros are in a million?
2 million minus 10 rand.
Even with the calculator. No!
Guys, she's holding the
Million
phone.
konjo zero bangaki.
What am I for?
Oh my god! I told you.
2 million no zero abangaki. Nhlanhla 2 million no zero abangaki. Abawu10.
It can't be.
I can't be this.
It cannot be more than 5. She's refusing.
She said I can't. She said I can't.
You know those guys.
I feel so clever.
You know there's those guys like sometimes the guys at the hood that they always ask you facts and you tell them the facts, but then they laugh at you for telling them a proper fact.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like they ask you something like, Kunje, where's whatever? Mexico. And you're like, oh yeah, no. Mexico there.
It's in Europe.
What?
What?
Wait a minute.
Whoa.
Wait,
What?
let's not move past this one. Okay, where's Mexico? Which continent?
Where is it?
It's in.
Let's just give it a continent. Let's not panic.
So it's Africa there in the middle.
Yeah.
In the middle, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Is it up, down, left, or right?
Up.
What? Up where? Okay, to
Up from South Africa because we the top.
No.
So everything is up now. I got it. Like, where the fuck is Mexico?
It's in Northern Europe.
Northern Europe. Nah.
Yeah, this is a new segment at the Atlas with Paga.
Yeah.
At the Atlas with Paga.
Where? Please ask Tupaga where a country is.
Yeah, guys, please, I beg.
Where in the world? Where in the world is? ...
Yeah.
That's the new hashtag. Where in the world is?
Yes, I love it. Every week we'll
Where
ask
in the
you.
world is?
Yes, where in the world is?
And then add that to the
Boom.
end of the hashtag.
That just happened live.
That's directed to Spaga every
Every
week.
week we're gonna say, yo, where in the world is?
Where in the world
Boom.
is?
Cities, Go anywhere. Go as far as you want. That's how you segment with Spaga. Where in the world is?
You like that?
The South African police service is out of control. I mean, we've had this in one of the episodes, and we thought that because we addressed it on MicroWave Boys, the SAPS would address it amongst themselves.
because obviously.
Because they watch the show. I mean, everyone watches the show. This guy said, "Oh, no ways."
No ways.
After we said, "Oh, no ways."
No ways.
He took his flight and said, "Yes ways."
Oh, yes
And he
ways.
took a whole SAPS chopper to a mall to get a KFC. How do you even justify grabbing the keys to a KFC?
No, man. He was in the air already and he saw it.
Yeah.
He's sorry.
Yeah. Look, it's perfectly parked. He parked it. You know, like
People are coming out of the car. Hey!
Oh, that's
Yeah, you walk out of KFC, you see a dunk wing just hitting you on the face. As you're walking there, somebody dunk wing more.
Wait, where did this happen? The Eastern Cape?
Of course, it's dispatch. Isn't it your people dispatching it?
Nah, bro.
It's okay, you guys just do what you want there.
Wait.
There.
Someone says no news here. The Air Force does this very often. What's
Hey,
going on
wow!
here?
It's not like, whoa! Okay, we're getting to the real issue here. South African policemen and army, and the army rather, they just do this all the time.
Yeah.
They take planes and then go buy grocery.
Yeah, that's exactly what this person saying. They're like, everyone keeps saying like, why are you guys excited about this? This is like everyone's.
They once landed Kiti bafuna amanzi. Abandaya. Sabanika.
Imagine you're sitting there.
Go.
People!
They don't actually get out. They probably stand on that
Hey.
little silver ledge.
There's a guy who comes out like this. Come on, man, stop, please. And you give them the water like this.
Yeah. Oh man.
I'm sure this guy who likes doing this and they keep telling him every we get the meeting. And then of course the last thing, the last order of the day is Hematum. Tabang. Every week.
Constable Msunu.
Constable Ngundu.
Constable Mgundu. Oh, I think I'm so like Constable Msunu. Yes, the order yakho baba.
One of our mini stars has dropped a sex tape, but the sex tape is not really a sex tape because he is sexing himself.
It's a fab tape.
It's a fab tape. He's fapping. It's a yo.
It's like a car doesn't want to start.
She hit me with it.
Yeah.
I hit me. Yeah, you know.
Nah, you never said the full word, so you're still saying.
It's a view. Nah, I deserve it. Give it to me. Give it to me.
He's giving up.
Give it to me. It's a viewed.
What?
A viewed. A viewed, guys. If you guys don't know about views, it's like it's a nude, but it's a video. So it's a viewed.
Viewed.
Yeah.
Because you view it.
No.
No.
All I know is that you're gonna wake up in cold sweat in the middle of the night hearing, imagine if this was in your mouth. Imagine. Huh? No, leave me. Imagine. I want to imagine.
Have you ever? I was asking you.
One of the worst mistakes I ever made in my life was clicking play on that video.
So, Sipo, here I go again. I ask. Have you ever sent a dick pic?
No.
Huh?
I've never done such a thing.
Ever? Have you ever sent a dick pic?
I think so.
And how did you take it? Show me.
So I just got out the shower, no?
Okay, if you're sitting here like this.
No, I took a picture of myself in the mirror.
Like this.
No, but I was like,
You also had an angle like this.
I was like,
Did you show your? What did you do?
Imagine.
Show me your face. And then, what was his head here?
because I'm taking the picture. Then, I'm taking a picture.
Hey, guys, just be very careful when. Just don't say dick pics, man.
Don't do it. It's not a good idea.
I don't think any woman out there is looking forward to it.
But it
Or
wasn't
viewed.
viewed. So
And
it's
also,
fine.
guys, when you take a viewed or send a nude, Don't throw your face in there.
Cut your face out.
Always cut your face out. Cut out any tattoos.
Don't talk. Imagine if this was in your mouth.
Yo.
Like that's going to.
It might sound sexy now, but when we listen to it, it sounds like.
It doesn't.
How does it sound? Imagine
if this was in your mouth.
No, no, see, yeah.
No, yeah.
I don't want to imagine that.
Oh, turned on by that.
No,
I don't want to
I don't want to
imagine.
imagine.
No. Or that's some of your thirsty ass girlfriends out there going,
What?
on Twitter. Get a hair, but your mom team. Halena ho, but Sadi Kilona. Halena ho.
I'm coming, man. Tough.
You high?
Can we go to the mirror?
Sorry?
Can we please go to the mirror?
Who is going to the mirror?
So I can see what makes you think that I'm high.
You are high.
I'm not high, Mom.
No, you are high. I'm telling you, you are fucking high.
I'm not.
You are.
Can we go to the...
Yeah, come back here.
Yo, boy. This nigga is on a kite, boy.
Oh, my boy.
This nigga is on a kite.
It's that first time you get caught as a kid. Messed up.
He is on a kite, boy. He's not here with us. For him to even say to his mom, Mom, come, let's go to the mirror.
Mama, let's just see mirror. See you again with the high. I hear what Mama is saying. High. It's just mirror with the high.
It's just mirror with the
Who do you want to go to the mirror?
It's like
Us.
who us? Yeah, me. I was going to the mirror with you.
I got caught drinking and then they were like, you're drunk. And I was like, I was eating grapes.
What?
The excuse was grapes.
I was eating grapes. Because I also threw up and you smelled like wine.
I had a lot of grapes, okay? I'm tired of living in this house.
Do you want me to stop eating grapes? Stop eating grapes.
Why you guys
I can
gotta
stop
eat-
eating grapes? I don't want any fruits. I don't want any veggies. I don't want any fruits. I don't want any veggies. I don't want anything. Damn your grapes.
I've never actually been caught. To be honest.
Ever.
Nah, I've been in trouble like at boarding school, but yeah. But I've never actually been caught by my parents doing any of those things.
And you?
They've never caught me.
Hey, what a sneaky little bastard. Look at you, you sneaky little bastard.
I've never been caught. They just like never. I'm so.
Big ups, okay.
I was such a.
I was
such a
caught
little.
with everything I've done. Sex.
Whoa.
My hey.
What happened?
You told us this dark story.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, I don't want to hear it again.
Somebody once asked, and so they're like, please reply with what's the worst thing you've done to your, what's the worst state your parents have found you, I think, while you were like inebriated.
Yeah.
And then one guy says his parents beat him up because he got home, found the whole family there. He showed up during dinner time, and when he got there, he asked, "Ni grand otherwise?" And walked to his room. And some guy said he came into the house with the door, locked the house, then got out with the window, got out the window. I think if you're in that state, you might as well take a piece of chicken from someone's plate.
Yeah, my,
Hola, mamo! What eh? Just run
take
away.
a
I was watching anyways. Swap.
Yeah.
Just go to this Uncle. So this girl on Dr. Phil.
I love Dr. Phil.
Are you a fan?
Yeah, bro. When
I only watched it for one episode, which was
It used to play-
his biggest ever episode.
SABC 2 at 12 o'clock, and then, but I wasn't doing anything with my life, clearly. And then, every day I'd watch it.
I'm white. I'm a Caucasian because everything about me is different from an African American. I have naturally straight hair. My hair isn't nappy. It doesn't require weave. My nose is not giant as like African Americans. My lips are perfect. They're not too big and they're not too small. Like they're just perfect. My ears, I don't have black people ears because they're really giant. Most African Americans speak ghetto, but when it comes to black people, I think they're all ugly and I have nothing in common with them. I'm different from African Americans because I'm white. My figure is just like Kim Kardashian, and she's a wonderful role model. I act and I think
I'm
like
so
a white
tired.
person instead of a black person. I believe that I'm completely and utterly better than them. Like we're on two different levels. Like okay, African Americans are here. I'm here. White people act and think just way more mature than African Americans.
Yo,
Whoa!
Dr. Phil, you know about me?
Whoa!
Dr. Phil, you know about me?
She's on the wrong show.
Whoa!
First of all, this girl's on the wrong show. She's on Dr. Phil. She used to be on Yanla Fix My Life.
Yeah.
She used to be on Yanla Fix My Life.
This rocked me. I don't
Yanla
know
was like, don't say that. And also, the mom just needs to You just need a good old-fashioned African mom beating.
Yeah. I mean,
If I can show this to somebody's, some of our mothers, they'll be like, just borrow me this child.
Take I one day.
Just borrow me this child. If you
Friends
can
don't
just for
let
one
them
day,
borrow.
if you borrow me
One
this child. And
day.
when she comes back, she'll be Palisa again. I'll put the Palisa back. I'll beat the Palisa back into this child.
She's Melissa now, but Palace is Puma.
And that's the thing. If a black mother handles this girl properly enough, you'll see the white jump out.
yeah.
Well, she'll be like, Tusang! We're like, oh, there you are.
Now go-
She's back with us. And so you beat until you say, Tusang! Mama yo!
Oh,
Yeah,
Lord.
but also-
You see, Mama yo, there we go. You're back in the game now.
This is actually how white people think. That's their mentality.
But the
That's
worst part
what-
about it is that we're not even outraged by this. It's like, it's so numbing. You're like, what must we do? You know?
Yeah, when one comes to start walking down the road, I cross the road because I'm scared of their thuggish ways. What?
At some point, I thought I was colored as well.
I
Beatrice,
can believe that.
Beatrice, get your shit together.
I can believe that.
That's Beatrice if I've ever seen one.
That's okay. I also thought I was colored at one stage.
wait, but I
also was there, but I was
I was like, oh, what?
Say,
It's
you
tight.
know, say.
You guys had a
Tight.
racial complex. What happened?
Yeah, I had one. I once thought I was white. I used to like relax my hair. I was about only date white girls. What's up? I was about it. I know there's some people that are coconuts that are probably watching this. Don't worry, you're gonna be okay.
Actually, I'm not gonna mention his name because he's actually a famous guy now, Loki. But there's a guy I went to school with, right? Who was adopted by white parents, had a white name and a white surname. That if you had your back turned towards him, not towards him. If you had your back turned and he was behind you, and he was speaking, you'd bet your life that it's a white guy behind you.
Yeah.
Until you look at it like, what the? Nigga, you dark as night. Nigga, you Batman black.
Yeah, and then
Oh, maps, Maponyan.
No.
No.
Absolutely, his name is Maps Maponyan.
Maponyan.
This guy that I'm talking about, I'll change his name, but I'll say he's black, but his name is Jason Labaskokny.
Oh my
First
god.
of all, his name throws you off. When you see it written there, you're like, hey, a white guy is about to come in here, and then a black ass face comes in front of you.
Yeah, but-
Okay, already very confusing. And then you hear him speak, and then on top of that, doesn't speak any African languages, only
don't know
speaks English and
famous
Afrikaans.
Jason.
When you adopt a child from another race, you have to make sure that they grow up knowing who they are.
Yeah.
That's part of your responsibility. Otherwise, just adopt a child who's your own race if you have no interest in letting them. Don't confuse a child. Like, if you go adopt a Cambodian child, you have to know that they're from Cambodia.
No, you can't say yo. You
can't just make them feel like if
Yeah,
you say
you're
you're
supposed to
black,
be
like, by the way, you're black, my nigga.
Yeah, it's
It's like, I am. No, you're not.
Yeah.
Chung Lee, you just fucking remember your people.
We'll do that next week. Don't worry.
That was borderline racist. Okay.
Yeah. A beef with 50 Cent does not end. Ever in life. Guys, if you know 50 Cent and Ja Rule's beef, man, these guys have been beefing since like 2000? 2001. Maybe even
Yeah.
when 50 Cent started popping, Ja Rule was popping. Both popping.
But Ja Rule was obviously the way bigger artist.
Yeah,
So,
way bigger.
international superstar that we all knew and loved. And then 50 Cent came around.
Got to do. Got to do it. God.
So 50 Cent is again the patriot's man alive.
Yeah.
Bring it. What?
No, that's DMX.
You leave my nigga X out of this. Anyway, so 50 Cent bought 200 rand. Whoa! Shake that out. 200 front row seats, Ja Rule's concert, so they could all be empty. Now, I heard some people say,
I'll
oh,
do
this doesn't make
something.
sense because if you buy there, people are just going to move to the front if they see that there's space anyway. I don't know. I saw a picture. I don't know if it's real of the people not moving to the front. I guess it depends who you are or what kind of setup the concert is.
Or maybe they seat numbers.
Yeah, because, you know, people are very strict with seat numbers, and so is white people. You come there, they're like,
In the cinema.
you know, they're like, are you guys 7 and 8?
Because we're 7 and 8.
Because I'm also 7 and 8, eh?
And they do that face.
Yandi!
I don't know, maybe there's a problem up there. We know. We just set you.
We sat here because this is where I wanted to sit when I'm trying to book the tickets, but it was booked, nigga. I took it anyway because what's so? I was like, I'm gonna judge how I move from this seat if they're stronger than me. If I see somebody stronger than me, I'll move. Until then, this is my seat. I'm 7 and 8. You guys are 10 and 9.
Why do they glitch like that? It's actually so funny because I went to the movies recently. Someone was like, maybe there's a problem. Maybe
there's how much we call
what seats does your
Should
ticket
go back.
What does your ticket say? It's 7. Mine says 8. You guys are sitting in 7 and 8.
I'm very strict. I'm the uncle in the cinema.
Yeah.
If you're ha, I say, hey, wait, nah. You go ha in your mother's house. Here we don't ha.
Yeah,
And there's always little kids, especially all these movies, like a lot of movies you go watch, superhero movies or whatever, you know. There's obviously always packed with a lot of youth that get very excited. But don't get excited around me. I'll put a jolly tot in your eye. I'm dangerous, man. I'm dangerous, man. Let me tell you, all my patience evaporates from the minute I buy the ticket. I walk in with zero tolerance.
I'm going in there to watch the shit.
I'm going in here to enjoy myself.
Yeah.
Don't mess with that.
Don't fuck with that.
If I hear people going in front of the guy, I'm like, I'm just gonna let the credits, the previews go. Once the previews are done, the movie starts.
Then it gets
if
serious.
that lion is
Then it gets
roaring
serious.
and you're still talking, if that lion is roaring
Yeah.
and you're still talking, my nigga, we got a problem.
Yeah.
That's Michael Boys, episode 65. Very, very proud. Very, very proud to, first of all, it's very hot out here. All right, cool. Very, very important, guys. We have teamed up and going to be working with the guys at Flying Fish for a very special event, 25th November. What you need to know right now is Odyssey is happening on the 25th of November.
Yeah.
Very, very dope performances you guys can catch on stage.
Right now, Moonchild is going to be out there. Kitchen Mess is going to be out there. Yo, Shoma Tujosi is going to be out there. Black Motion, but hey, do you know that?
And of course the headliner JID and Masejo.
The last time Masejo was here, he had the whole country going nuts. So it's going to be amazing. How can people get tickets? How can people get tickets?
Flavor Odyssey.
Absolutely. The hashtag is here, Flavor Odyssey.
Yeah.
Very, very exclusive. If you guys want to score yourselves a special invite, stay tuned to the show.
Yeah.
Follow at Flying Fish SA on Twitter, Flying Fish on Instagram, as well as just Flying Fish on Facebook. All the information will be dropping there. But it's on here. It's on here. It's all right.
We're
It's all
done.
right. It's on here.
It's
It's going to be a
a
lot
big
of
thing.
fun. We're going to be giving you guys all the information about that. Music, fashion, food. It's about to go down. Hey, oot.
I didn't even open my
Lindsay, roll the bumper.
Okay, hero of the week goes to...
Can I be a hero for once?
No.
I am an
Hero of the week goes to Hickerson Elementary in Nashville.
Oh, wow.
And I don't know what they did, but we are going to find out now. What's up?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
He's deaf, so they sing happy birthday to him in sign language.
Happy birthday, dear
Oh.
James. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, bring on the waterworks. I'm not crying, you're crying.
Nah, man, this segment always like
Whoa!
Does it touch you?
does, dog. That's so dope.
Whoa!
I'm crying in sign language. It's a little jokey joke for the people. Hey guys, hello jokey joke. What's that? That was a sweet video.
That was very cute.
Don't get too caught up on the. Okay, you stop it back there. I love anything that has to do with thanking teachers and educators and bigging them up, especially the ones that are very, very dope with kids. I really love that because, man, what a job. Kids are full of nonsense.
Yeah.
To the patience you need to teach them.
But not these
is
ones.
Something, it's like they're superhero. Yeah, these kids are cool.
Yeah,
They can stay. They can stay.
Grammar Jammer of the week.
What we're gonna do basically right here is just send out a very special, again, one last RIP to the late great Double HP.
Yes.
And yeah, so we're gonna just put up a couple of pictures of him. Of course, this is out on Friday, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow is his funeral. I'm gonna be out there. I'm on my way to Maftown. As you're watching this, I'm probably in Mafeking already.
Are you taking a jog?
I'm jogging to Maftown. If I leave today,
You can make it.
I'll make it by Saturday.
Yo.
If I just power walk. You know what I'm saying? So shout out, man. Again, RIP Double HP. MicroWave Boys, episode 65.
Yeah,
How
guys.
you
Also,
doing?
if you guys want to send us any pictures, you know what I mean, tag any of us on Twitter, any of us on Instagram. We'll make sure we check out the Grammar Jammer. Also, if you've got any heroes of the week, even someone that's doing something cool in your community, tag us. Let us know. We can feature them on the show. That's it. MicroWave Boys, episode 65.
Also, the merchandise, finally.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put out some really dope. Again,
Oh.
that hashtag Flavor Odyssey is the thing that you need to use the most.
Boom.
Because you're gonna score yourself some really dope Microwave Boys merch.
Boom.
Follow us at MicroWave Boys.
Ali Boom Maye. Follow me at Laryngitis. Let's go.
Money, money, money.
Money, love, staying it down. I need money, 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 I need money more. I need money, I need money, I need money more. Money, love, staying it down. I need money, 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 I need money more. I need money, I need money, I need money more.
Ayo, kill him, that's my title. Kill him, kill that job. Nigga, don't you please. Call me Hercules. You can listen, become through with the nigga.